First, they're charged in the high-profile stabbing of their friend. Tonight, their lawyers are trying to get their case moved out of adult court and into the juvenile system. 12-year-olds Anissa Weier and Morgan Geyser face 60 years in prison.
And 12 News reporter Nick Bohr has just obtained new court documents as well as new photos of the victim.
This motion filed by the attorney for Morgan Geyser follows a similar one by Anissa Weier's lawyer. The first steps in getting their cases moved to juvenile court here, where potential penalties would be much lower. The family of the young victim released new photos today showing her face concealed, with the hundreds of Purple Hearts sent to her since she was stabbed 19 times. Her message is clear.
She felt compelled to send a message back to all of those people from all over the world and said, you know, I got your note and thank you so much.
In her room, many of those hearts have been assembled into a tree on her wall. A Tree family spokesman, Steve Lyon, says they're calling a tree of hope.
She's been able to get home, but the road to recovery is going to be a long one.
The criminal cases against her so-called friends, Anissa Weier and Morgan Geyser, could prove very long as well. Their lawyers have each now filed motions that they have all the evidence that they need in the case before moving forward. Critical, they say, in their efforts to move the girls to the juvenile court system. The motions read in part, quote, the defense must have an opportunity to admit evidence that supports its contention that moving the case to juvenile court will not depreciate the seriousness of the alleged offense. Coming up on 12 News at 6, we'll talk to a lawyer who faced the very same issue in another high-profile case representing very young defendants. In Waukesha, Nick Bohr, WISN 12 News.